Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to clear your browsing data in the Opera web browser. So it can include your history, cookies, and web cache. So pretty straightforward process, guys. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. And we're going to start by selecting the Opera logo up at the top. So go ahead and just left click on that. And you want to go down and select Settings. On the right side, underneath Privacy and Security, you want to select Clear Browsing Data, Clear History, Cookies, Cache, and more. Click in there. You can set the time range between the last hour, 24 hours, 7 days, 4 weeks, or all time. And then you can select Browsing History, which clears history, including in the search box, cookies and other site data, which will sign you out of most sites, so you will need to enter back in your web credentials to get back into most websites if you have the second option here selected. And then we also have cached images and files here as well. So we're going to have all of them checkmarked. We're going to set the time range to the last hour, but you guys can go back on all time. You probably want to delete all of your browsing history, so you just would select all time. So actually, we're going to do that for today's tutorial, and then we're going to select clear data. And then that's pretty much it. If we close out of here and then relaunch Opera, you shouldn't have to even restart the browser, but just to demonstrate, it's probably not a bad practice to regardless. And there you go, guys. I think that's about it. And as always, thank you for watching. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.